Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to upload guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on guys vibrate on touch setting and how to use it. Friends, you want to on guys your oppo phone vibrate on touch setting, so how to on and use today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like the video. So what is vibrate on touch and how to on and use? Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting friends, click on get your Oppo phone sound and vibration. After on fan sound and vibration friends, you can see phone vibrate only, vibrate on silent mode setting. So when scroll it, friends you can see get your more sound and haptic setting. Friends tap here. Friends you can use get your phone system sound, means guys phone dial pad, screen lock sound, screenshot sound, delete sound and touch sound. So guys we will on haptic the vibrate on touch setting. After on how to use. So guys, when you will click on your phone buttons, so friends your phone will vibrate. So like the way we can look at the vibrate on touch setting, and where we can look at when we will guys you will click on your phone button, and when you will use keyboard, so friends your phone will vibrate. Friends you can see phone vibrate sound. So guys we could get vibrate on touch setting. So guys after way you can use guys your phone vibrate on touch setting. Friends you don't want to use, guys click on get direct guys your search option vibrate setting. As you can see vibrate setting, phone vibrate setting, so I click on vibrate on touch here, tap here friends, direct friends you can off. After offense, now you can click on your phone button, you can use your keyboard without any sound guys. So like that way we can on and use vibrate on touch on oppo phone device. So bye guys.